In the last lesson, we registered a new user. Let's see that in the Tinker. Then I'll fetch all the users. And there we go, we have our user. Now, check this out. If I run the tests that we get out of the box when we install a fresh Laravel application, PHP artisan test, the tests run. But if I switch back to this tab and try to fetch my users again, they are deleted. And that's because we are using the same database for our application and the same database for the tests. To fix this, we need to enable the in-memory SQLite for the tests so that we don't use the same database. To do that, go to phpunit.xml and then uncomment these two lines. And now, if I go to the browser, let's register a new user. Registered, go back here. Then let's fetch our users again. We have our users. And now if we run the tests run. And then if we switch back and try to fetch our users again, we have our user. And that's it for this lesson. In the next lesson, let's see the 2 ways to render a livewire component on a page. Cheers.